Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My dad's decided to have a go at doing some of the wrap. We didn't go for sort of blobs and stuff like that. We thought I'd do something a bit more urban look. I'll flip the camera around and then you can see how well he's doing. It doesn't look too bad. There's just one colour at the moment. He's still got to add grey and black and have a... I'll bring the camera back once he's done one side. And you got to decide whether he actually likes it or not, but it looks alright. I'll just flip the camera around and see what you think. Well, there's the first layer there, guys. He's having a go at doing a bit of red. Dad, say hello to the guys.
Hello guys.
I think he's having quite a bit of fun doing this. I think he's doing quite well. What do you think? You having fun?
Having fun, first time rapping.
This is his first time and he's doing really good, really good. Right, well, he's going to carry on with a few more bits. There's two other colours to go on. He's doing one side and then he'll debate whether he actually likes it or not. And then we'll go from there. I'll catch you in a bit, guys. Right then, guys, just resuming on the video. My dad's done quite well. Got the wife helping out down there. As you can see, he's done, I'd say, 70% of this side of the car. And, it's a lengthy process. I can walk on the other side, show you. Haven't done the bonnet yet. Right. This is how he's got so far. I think it looks quite tidy. Still got to put some more on the wing here. We're on the bumper. We're only going to be wrapping one side, maybe up over the side there. Take a few photos. I'll upload it onto the video. You can all decide then whether you think it's going to work. Along the bottom of the doors, we are going to put the YouTube club name or channel name on the bottom. Also, we might put a big logo on the bonnet yet, not sure. But yeah, that's where we are, guys, and see how far we can get. Weather's not looking too good. A few spots of rain. We may have to give up for today, carry on tomorrow. We'll see. Okay, guys, this is as far as they got up to tonight. Looks good. He hasn't done the door now, it's getting a bit late now. Just show you sun setting. But yeah, looks quite tidy. What do you think? Do you think it'll grow on you?
Groovy.
Yeah, I think he likes it. He's not able to do his door. Got a few issues he needs to fix with the door first, then he'll be wrapping that. Got another door actually coming, haven't you?
Yes, I have actually, yeah.
Yeah, so that's that, guys. I'll show you the boot. Wind your fingers.
I'm in the middle.
So that's the boot. Still got to do a few bits on the bumper, bottom of the boot, but yeah. Right then, guys, we're going to do a live Q&A on the 5th, 5 o'clock. If any of you want to comment below with some questions to fire at us, we'll answer them on the 5th. We'll schedule it for a live Q&A. Hopefully you can hit us up and join us for a live hour session. I think we'll do it for an hour. Any words, Dad?
Yeah, hopefully that the questions that are asked, that we'll try and answer every one if possible. Yeah. But if not, well, all well and good, mate.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, I think you'll probably carry on with the rest of this tomorrow. See how far you can go. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. It's not much, but
It's a start.
Yeah, we'll catch you on another video. Ta-ra, guys.